Let's talk about the latest launched Lava smartphone Blaze Pro 5G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 84.4% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.7 by 76.7 by 8.96 mm, and it weighs around 203 grams, and the color options Starry Night, Radiant Pearl, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava Blaze Pro 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 44,999 Pakistani rupees, and 12,999 Indian rupees, and around $156. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.